How to get started with Amazon S3 in healthcare. Healthcare organizations generate massive amounts of data every day, from patient records and imaging to compliance reports and analytics. But here's the challenge. If your storage system isn't designed to scale, manage costs, and keep data secure, you're sitting on a ticking time bomb. What if you had a solution that not only handled all your data seamlessly but also transformed it into a powerful resource for driving better outcomes? Stick with me, and I'll show you exactly how Amazon S3 can change the game for your organization. Every hero faces a moment of truth, a call to step into a new world, embrace innovation, and leave behind inefficiencies. For healthcare organizations, that call is Amazon S3, a scalable, secure, cloud-based object storage service provided by AWS. It's designed to store and retrieve vast amounts of data while offering unmatched durability and cost-effectiveness. In this journey, Amazon S3 isn't just a tool, it's the foundation for unlocking better healthcare outcomes, streamlining operations, and transforming how your organization manages its most critical asset, data. Today, we'll explore how Amazon S3 can help you overcome challenges, achieve your goals, and ensure your organization is future-ready. Before we dive into the challenges and solutions, grab the free implementation guide by clicking the link in the description. It's a step-by-step resource to help you get started with Amazon S3 today. By downloading the guide, you'll gain the tools to transform your data management strategy and secure your organization's future. This guide is designed to simplify the process, so you can focus on what matters most, delivering exceptional outcomes. Don't wait to take advantage of this valuable resource. Healthcare organizations often face overwhelming challenges when it comes to managing data. Legacy systems struggle to scale as patient data, imaging archives, and analytics grow exponentially. Storage costs spiral out of control, leaving teams scrambling to maintain budgets while ensuring compliance with strict regulations like HIPAA. Managing backups, disaster recovery, and global data access is time-consuming and error-prone. Meanwhile, these inefficiencies delay critical decision-making, jeopardize patient care, and expose your organization to the risk of data breaches or compliance failures. Amazon S3 provides a scalable, secure, and cost-efficient solution tailored to these challenges. With virtually unlimited storage, your organization can handle growing datasets without worrying about capacity limitations. Built-in encryption and fine-grained access controls keep sensitive healthcare data secure and compliant with industry standards like HIPAA. Lifecycle policies automate transitions to cost-effective storage tiers, such as S3 Glacier for long-term archives, reducing costs while maintaining accessibility. S3 integrates seamlessly with analytics tools like AWS Glue and Athena, enabling your team to unlock valuable insights from your data without ever moving it. Whether you're storing imaging data, securing patient records, or managing compliance archives, S3 ensures your data is always accessible, manageable, and secure. Getting started with Amazon S3 is simpler than you might think. First, create an S3 bucket to store your data. Configure access controls to ensure compliance with healthcare regulations, using IAM roles and bucket policies to safeguard sensitive information. Next, upload your files, whether it's imaging archives, patient records, or compliance documents. Finally, set up lifecycle policies to automate data retention and cost optimization. These straightforward steps enable your organization to securely and efficiently manage its most critical data. Failing to address your storage challenges comes with serious risks. Without scalable solutions, your organization faces increasing inefficiencies, higher costs, and an inability to meet the demands of modern healthcare. Legacy systems are prone to data loss and breaches, leading to compliance penalties, legal repercussions, and compromised patient care. Every day spent relying on outdated systems leaves your organization further behind competitors who are already leveraging advanced cloud technologies. These delays could cost you not just in dollars but in the trust and outcomes that define your mission. When you take action and implement Amazon S3, the benefits are immediate and transformative. Your storage scales seamlessly as your data grows, while automated cost optimization keeps budgets under control. Compliance becomes simpler with robust encryption and detailed access controls, ensuring your organization remains audit-ready. Beyond storage, S3 opens the door to new opportunities, from real-time analytics to improved patient outcomes. Your team will work more efficiently, and your organization will gain a competitive edge, showcasing its commitment to innovation, security, and excellence in care delivery. When Amazon S3 becomes part of your infrastructure, you also unlock the ability to integrate seamlessly with other AWS services, such as Athena for querying data, Glue for ETL processes, and CloudFront for rapid content delivery. These integrations enable you to turn stored data into actionable insights without moving it between platforms. Additionally, S3's lifecycle management policies ensure your data is always stored cost-effectively, minimizing waste while maximizing accessibility. By leveraging these features, your organization can drive innovation, optimize resources, and enhance decision-making processes, all while maintaining a strong focus on patient-centric care and operational efficiency. The stakes couldn't be higher. Without a reliable storage solution like Amazon S3, your organization risks operational inefficiencies, increasing costs, and vulnerabilities that could damage your reputation and bottom line. On the other hand, embracing S3 positions your organization as a leader in healthcare technology. You'll not only enhance operational efficiency and data security, but also empower your team to deliver better patient care and make data-driven decisions that shape the future of healthcare. Take the first step today. Download the free implementation guide linked in the description to see exactly how your healthcare organization can start leveraging Amazon S3. The guide will show you how to tackle your data challenges, reduce costs, and ensure your storage strategy is future-proof. Don't wait, your data and your organization's future depend on it.